Now the house calls for roll call and attendance. Yes, all are present, all delegates are present.
Good afternoon, distinguished delegates. Welcome to the Model United Nations. Today the agenda includes United Nations Sustainable Development Goals on specific topics like quality education, gender equality, climate action, peace, justice and strong instructions and partnership for the goals. Now, I request member delegates of the respective countries to start with the opening statements. Now the floor is yours. Now start with South Africa.
You can start.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson. Sustainable Development Goals 13 Climate Action aims to combat by climate change, integrating measure into policies, strengthening resilience, improving education or capability, implementing the Paris Agreement and promoting climate finance, especially for vulnerable nations like LDCs and SIDs to reduce emission and adapt to impact. 8 crore target is 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.8 and 13.B. Focus on building adaptive capacity, integrating climate change into national plans, enhancing knowledge, fulfilling climate finance commitment and supporting effective management in the most vulnerable. Thank you.
Next proceed.
Good afternoon all. Honorable Chairperson and delegate members. Gender equality, the SDG 5 achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Exclusively focus on gender. SDG 5 aim to ensure ending all form of discrimination against women and girls. Everywhere. It is vital to give women equal rights on land and property, sexual and reproductive health, and to technology and the internet, providing women and girls with equal access to education, healthcare, decent work and representation in politics and economics. Decision-making process will achieve sustainable economics and will benefit societies and humanity at large, ending all form of discrimination against women and girls is not only a basic human right but also is sustainable future of societies. Thank you.
And proceed to the next delegate.
Honorable Chairperson, respect delegate, decision making remains in man's hand in walks of life everywhere in the world as of 1 January 2025. Women have only 27.2% of seats in national parliament. Their representation in local government stand at 30.5% of seats. 2023 and 2024 after an average annual increase of 0.5%. Points in 2020 and right supporting the more balanced female representation. Among younger members of parliament, 57% under age 30 and 15% under age 40. As parliament becomes younger, they may seek a better gender balance, but only if younger members keep advancing into leadership, structure, transformation and ensuring of all women in decision-making system, with a focus on the values of adult girls and young women is also with such a muzzle protection of civic space and stage initiation overthink the impact trial of gender equality, the current dismal picture of gender equality, the current dismal picture of gender equality decision making can be reached. Thank you.
Next to another delegate.
Greeting Honorable Chair and respected delegates. I am from Australia. I rise today to emphasize a simple truth. A nation's strength depends on the quality of its education. Education is not just about passing exam. It is about shaping mind, building character and preparing our youth for a changing world. As a member of UNO, I believe every child, whether in the village, to quality of learning. This means modern classrooms, better trained teachers, digital tools and curriculum that develop skills, values and creativity. Quality education is a foundation of innovation, economic growth and social harmony. When we invest in education, we invest in future of our nation. Quality education reduces poverty and open doors to better career opportunities. So, let us work together to ensure that every child gets the education they deserve, an education that empower them to dream, achieve and lead. Thank you.
Next to another delegate.
Respected Chair, I belong to Sri Lanka. In our country, we have given equal rights to women with men. We are providing equal opportunities, rights and respect for all our citizens. We are promoting leadership skills and ensures safety and respect. Despite progress, challenges persist. Unequal pay, safety issues and underrepresentation in leadership roles are issues we need to tackle. So gender equality is not just a women's issue, it is a human issue. When we work together, we can create a more inclusive society where everyone can thrive. Let's make equality a reality for all. Thank you, Chair.
Next, proceed.
Good afternoon, Honorable Speaker, respected member of the House. I rise today to address an issue that stands at the heart of global health and human needs. The World Health Organization reminds us that the health of a nation is built not only in hospitals and laboratories but in the everyday life, safety and opportunities afforded to our people, especially our children. Thank you.
Now we will move on to the moderate classes. If anybody has questions, please raise their hands. Yes, proceed to the
Respected Honorable Speaker, I am asking for question China. How China violence control for women?
proceed to respective country.
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, China proposed reform to give women equal rights, economic resource as well as access to ownership and control over land and other forms of property, financial service, natural resource, and accordance with national laws. Thank you.
Any questions from other delegates? Yes? Yes, Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Chair. I would like to ask a question in Australia. Why is quality education important for development?
Honorable Chair, it reduces poverty, unemployment and inequalities. Thank you.
Any other delegates to ask the questions? Yes, South Africa.
I have a question for quality education. What defines quality education beyond basic literacy?
Australia. Answer the question.
Honorable Chair, can you please
You want to repeat the question? Okay. Proceed.
Defines quality education beyond basic literacy.
You ask again question.
You ask the question again.
Quality education beyond basic literacy.
क्वालिटी एजुकेशन द्वारा बेसिक
giving equal learning for all children?
Yes.
Thank you.
Any questions from other delegates? China?
Honorable respectable chairperson and respected members, what is the prime role of the WHO? My question for India. I repeat again. What is the prime role of the WHO?
Yes. Proceed.
The primary role of the World Health Organization is to direct and coordinate international health efforts, provide guidance to government, monitor global health trends and the health countries, improve their healthcare systems. Thank you.
Any questions? Yes, South Africa.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson. We did some research with our team delegates on flood, cyclones and storm. Honorable Chairperson, warm temperature cause higher rainfall and more powerful storm. These disasters destroy houses, roads, crops and make people also their home and livelihoods. So, we are planning to build flood resistant houses, strong bridges and proper drainage system, and also planning to construct cyclone resistant shelter near coastal areas. If we have better infrastructure, it helps to reduce the damage during disasters. Thank you.
Yes, any delegate ask any questions? Raise your hand. Yes, Sri Lanka.
I have a question for Oscar. How can countries improve education quality?
Honorable Chair, by investing schools, teachers and inclusive policies. Thank you.
Any questions? Yes, China.
I want to ask India. What steps has our government taken with who support? I repeat. What step has our government taken with who support?
Honorable Speaker, the government collabs with the WHO on occasion drives diseases, surveillance public health programs and immediately health guidance for air quality nutrition and inefficient disease control. Thank you.
Any other delegates to ask the question? Yes, South Africa.
Good afternoon, Honorable Speaker. Effect of greenhouse gases. We have a solution for greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases causes deforestation. Because of deforestation, some animals will die. Because of making much of carbon dioxide and factory fossil fuels. So we are stopping this petrol and diesel vehicles and planting trees and using electric vehicles and controlling factory fossil fuels. So like this we are want to stop greenhouse gases. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Now the time we will go to the alternative discussion. Yes, now the time for the please take your seats. So that you can start your proposals. Yes, who wants to start the proposal? They can raise your hands. Yes, Australia. Proceed.
I want a proposal behalf of all members that promoting lifelong learning opportunities for every learner, quality education is important, and special support for children with disabilities, safe, safe traveling, provide safe transportation for students in remote areas. Thank you.
Members of the House who are in favor of proposal can raise their hands. So the proposal passes unanimously. And proceed to the next delegate, Srikanth. Any proposal? No? So raise your hands, those who have a proposal. China.
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, China France will support, ensure equal access to education, empower women in the workplace, protect reproductive rights, strengthen legal protection, achieve better political representation. Thank you.
Now the voting can be beginning for the proposal. China, who are the favor of this proposal, they can raise their hands. Yes, the proposal was agreed unanimously, and proceed to the next proposal and proceed to India.
Respected Speaker, I want one idea to develop WHO, World Healthy Organization. Health is very important to us. So, health అనేది లేకపోతే we can't live in earth, we can't survive in earth, we can't to educate to people. మనం చదువుకోకపోతే మనకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో హెల్త్ అనేది కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. హెల్త్ అనేది లేకపోతే we can't survive to earth. సో ప్రతి హౌస్ మెంబర్స్కి వరల్డ్ హెల్త్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ తరఫున హెల్త్ కిట్స్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలని గవర్నమెంట్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ స్పీకర్.
On behalf of your language, Hindi translator, anybody is there?
Thank you, Chairperson. Now, on behalf of South Africa and other member countries, together proposing this resolution. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. Integrate climate change measures into national policies, strategies, and planning. Promote renewable energy development and discourage reliance of fossil fuels. Thank you.
Yes, the voting can be begin for the proposal. The members of the house who are in favor of this proposal, they can raise their hands. Yes, the proposal was agreed unanimously.
Thank you.
France.
France, China will support and discrimination violence, eliminating all forms of violence, trafficking and harmful practices like female genital mutilation and child marriage, equal opportunities, ensuring equal access to equality, education, healthcare, decent work, equal pay and economic resources like land rights, full protection, promoting women's full and effective transition in leadership and decision making at all levels, political, economic, public life, technology for empowerment, using technology, especially ICT, to empower women and promote their rights. Thank you.
Yes, they can raise your hands who are the in favor of this proposal. Yes, this proposal was agreed unanimously.
Honorable Speaker, can I speak?
Yes, proceed.
doing in operations in hospitals gone current. So because so much of people is died because of operation is not done. So I want request to in every hospital to provide generator. In for full form of WHO, World Health Organization in April 7, 1858. Thank you.
Following policies, various delegates from China, South Africa, India, and France given their final resolutions. Thank you.
Congratulations, delegates. Your collaborative youth-led vision for 2075 has been adopted. Now, distinguished delegates, I commend your progressive leadership. This session was Model United Nations Youth Representative 2075 is now adjourned. Thank you.